Here's what you can do in order to try to fix issues with QuickShare not working properly on Google Pixel 9a. So first and foremost, we're gonna go to the settings, then choose connected devices and go to connection preferences. And of course we want to go to QuickShare. First, make sure that the device name is set up correctly. You definitely want to know what is the name of your device. And then of course we want to go to who can share with you. You should have the option enabled, this one over here, visible to nearby devices, otherwise your phone will not be able to be detected by other devices trying to use QuickShare. And the second thing is you might want to switch from contacts to everyone. And in some cases you might also want to untake only for 10 minutes, because if you leave this checked, this box, then after those 10 minutes most likely you will switch back to contacts. While using contacts sometimes work, especially if you have the person that tries to use QuickShare for you is saved in your Google account in contacts, then in that case of course it works. But on the other hand, if you don't have that person saved in contacts, then of course you want to switch to everyone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!